Hi, welcome to GN Virtual Classes. For success in competition exams, our team will provide you the best study material. Subscribe us for updates.
Good morning, students. Welcome to GN Virtual Classes. I am Assistant Professor Jaspika from GN College of Education. Today, I will teach you about verb and adverb. First of all, I will introduce you with the verb and its types, and then with adverb and its types. So, first of all, I explain the meaning of a verb. Verb is a word of a state or a action verb, like plays, cooks. These are the action words. So this shows the action of a sentence. And state is, am, are. All these are the state form of a verb. Like I write here a sentence. She cooks food. So here cooks is a verb. Which verb? This is the action verb. This is the action verb. And he is playing. He is playing. Here is the state form of a verb. So verb is the state or action form of a verb. So action verbs are walk, talk, listen, speak, play, cook, clean, etc. All are action words. These action words are called action verbs. Sometimes you are asking a question to circle the action word or action form of a verb. So here you circle action word cooks, here action word playing, which is performing. Okay, next is the helping verb. Helping verb which helps the main verb, which helps the action verb or a main verb. So this is all the form of be, is, am, are, was, were, has, have, had, will, shall, do, does, etc. All these are the helping verbs and these are the forms of be. And the main verb is which is performing main action in the sentence, like she is playing. Here is a helping verb and playing is the main verb. It means the main action is done in the sentence is playing. So next is the transitive verb. If our action is goes to subject, from subject to object, then it is a transitive verb. For example, police caught the thief. This action is performed by a police and this is over to the thief. So this is the transitive verb. Here police is performed the action, but this action also reflect the thief. Then next is intransitive verb. Intransitive verb which is complete in itself. Like he is laughing. It is complete in itself. He is laughing means one person is laughing. Regular verbs. Regular verbs are those verbs which contains ed at the end in the past participle and in the past tense. For example, there are three forms of the verb. Three forms of verb. First is present and second is past and third is past participle. So regular verbs contain ed in the past and the past participle, like kill, killed, killed. And irregular verbs, these are those verbs which do not take ed. Here I cross ed. So there are lots of types of verbs. under it. First is the some are the same type, same meaning in the three forms like cut, cut, cut. And some verb forms are to have the same name like buy, bought, bought, catch, caught, caught. And the other types are verbs have the two same words but in the different form like come, came, come. And this is same with the present and the past participle. The past is the different. So this type of a verb is like become, became, become. Beat, beat, beaten. Here the first two forms are same and the third one is different. So there are so many types of verbs here. Action verbs, helping verbs, and main verb, transitive verb, intransitive verb, regular and irregular verbs. For performing the tenses, active passive voice, narration, you have to learn the irregular and irregular forms of the verbs so you can answer the question accordingly. So from this you have to ask a question like right here, she kills the snake. So you have to circle the action verb here. Here kills is the action verb. So answer is the kills. And the next question like you are asking like this. I here write see. I have dash a movie. Here you are asking to write the past form of a scene. So the past form of the scene is see, saw, and the past participle seen. So here I have past participle seen. You are asking to write a past participle of a verb see. So I write here I have seen a movie. So answer is the seen. So you have to learn the three forms of the verb, then you can answer a question. And sometimes you are asking to odd one out like is, have, no, had. Here odd is no, is, have and had are the helping verbs. These are the form of a be. And you are asking a question like the teacher punished students. Which type of a verb is this? This is a transitive verb. Here the action performed by the teacher transferred to the student. The teacher punished the student. So the action is performed by the teacher implemented on the student. So this is the transitive verbs. So this is all about the verbs. You have to learn regular verbs, irregular verbs, transitive verb and intransitive verb so that you can answer the question accordingly. Helping verb and main verb. Main verb is the action performed by a subject or a pronoun in the sentence. So this is all about the verb. Next I forward to the adverb. Adverb is a word which qualifies verb, adjective and another adverb. For example, he walks very quickly. Here it defines quickly, very with the adverb is quickly here and very is also adverb. So it defines another adverb, modifies another adverb. She seems very sad. It modifies the adjective. Sad is the adjective and very is the adverb. So there are three types of adverbs. First is a simple adverb. This is further divided into 5 parts. First is the adverb of time. In adverb of time, it is shown time of action when it is performed, like now, after, early, late, today, tomorrow. These are the words which belong to time, adverb of time. Like teacher is teaching now. Teacher is teaching now. Now teacher is teaching. So now is a adverb of time. And adverb of place, where action is performed. This is when action is time of action and where action is performed. Near, inside, above, up, etc. are the words which define the adverb of a place. For example, teacher is teaching in the class. Teaching in the class. Where teacher is teaching? In the class. So in here is a adverb of a place. Then adverb of number. How often? Once, twice, thrice, often, etc. These are the words which under come here. For example, I once read this book. One time I read this book. So once is a adverb of a number. Next is the adverb of manner, quality, state. For example, manner of action. It defines the manner of action, how you perform action. Words like badly, angrily, carefully, slowly. Here I write an example. She works carefully. She works carefully. How she is doing work? Carefully. So carefully is the adverb of manner, quality. Next is the adverb of quantity. Here you have to define the quantity of a adverb like all, enough, little, to, etc. For example, he is clever enough. He is clever enough. So these are the types of simple adverb. Simple adverb is divided into 5 parts. Adverb of time, you have to know when it is performed. Adverb of place, where action is performed. Adverb of number, how often it is performed. Adverb of manner means how you have done with the manner. Adverb of quantity, define the quantity of the thing. Next is the interrogative adverb. Interrogative adverb define 4 types. For example, why is he late? This defines the interrogative adverb of reason. Here the person is giving the answer and explain the reason why is he late. So this is the adverb of reason. And where do you live? This is the adverb of place. Where do you live? You have to answer the question where I live. When will you come? This tells us about a time. I come at a time in the evening, in the morning. How are you? This is the question of a manner. You asking someone about his or her willing. Then there are 4 types of interrogative verb. Adverb of reason, place, time, manner. Next is the relative adverbs. Relative adverbs are those adverbs which combine 2 sentences. This is the combination of adverb and conjunction. Conjunctions are the words which combine the 2 sentences. For example, tell me how I can do it. Here tell me is the 1 sentence. It is combined with the word how I can do it. So it becomes a relative adverb. How is the conjunction? Because it linked 2 sentences. I don't know why he left. I don't know is a one sentence, and he left is the second sentence, and this is combined with the why. So this is the relative adverb. So this is all about the adverb. Adverb qualify the verb, adjective and another adverb. And there are three types of main adverb. First is simple, second is interrogative, and third one is relative. And simple one is divided into further 5 parts: adverb of time, place, number, manner and quantity. So the questions are asking like this: why do you come late? Which type of adverb is this? This is a adverb of a interrogative adverb. And which type is this? Adverb of a reason. Interrogative. And which is another type is reason. And you have to learn the list of adverbs so you can answer the question easily. Sometimes you are asking a question like in a fill up: she plays very, fill up fast, very, options are often. So very is the right answer. She plays very fast. Here fast is the adjective and it qualifies the adjective. Very is the adverb. So this is all about the adverb. I hope you understand verb and adverb very easily, and I ask you to subscribe and like our channel so that we can provide you another material for achieving you success in the exam. Thank you so much.